have 1,000 toys in the grass. You guys wrestling too? Come here, boys. Come here, boys. Come here. Come here, boys. What are you doing? What are you doing? You look so evil like that. Hey, you. What are they doing, those silly guys? Come on. Where's your brother? Oh, there he is. Let's go see his brother. Let's see the boy. Here he comes. Here he comes. Hi. Oh. WrestleMania. It's WrestleMania. What you guys got? Toys galore. Toys everywhere. Oh, there he goes. Hey, you. Hey, did he just take your toy? Don't let him do that. We don't even use these kennels. They're just over here. They wrestle a lot. You got it now. Don't let him get it. Don't let him get it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he took it. He took it. He got it back. He got it back. Hey, you. Hey, you. What'd you get? What you get? Oh, and Teddy is the toy master. He will steal toys, even from baby puppies. Don't you, Teddy? You're a mean boy. This is an Aussie Doodle. They don't have the same shape as Goldendoodles do. This is Mommy. She's got a beautiful body. And there's Orangey again. He is so cute. He's got the perfect face. He's got great curl. More curl than his brother. I believe he's going to be pitch black. But then again, I don't know. Look what you got, a shoe. That's a no-no. Guys, come here. Usually I would take the shoe, but it's a video. There's Mama. She's very pretty. You can hardly even tell she had a litter. Daisy. 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 Her nipples have already pulled up, and she looks beautiful. She looks beautiful.